That's the hill where all the noises starts at night. Not during the daytime, only at night, like after midnight. A lot of noise, a lot of light, and I'm pretty sure it's there. I'm going by the angle from where I camp, which is here. So I think where these trees have been cleared. Never any activity during the day. I mean, it could be fracking, where they just put a tower up at night and then take it down during the day. Two main things about fracking: it's only done by Irish people, and it causes gas explosions in residential areas, which they happen to end up owning. And of course, it also poisons the water supply, the water table. So, like Irish have a history of it murdering, well, everyone. Oops.